we got a bite. Oh, it's a nice fish too. Oh man, this is a nice one. This is a good one. I don't know what it is. Oh man, it's weighing pretty good though. It hit hard too, man. It's a fur. If this is a catfish, this is a pretty big catfish right here, man. Oh man, I'm right in front of the wind too. Oh dude, whatever it is, it's big. I can see it in the water, man. There's no way, dude. Holy cow, it's big. Whoa, what is that? Oh, look at my pole though. Whatever it is big, boys. It's a big fish, that's for sure. I don't know what it is. On a shrimp too. Oh, I think it's a catfish. I think it's a big catfish. Oh wow, a big catfish just hit. There's no way it's not a shark, is it? There's no way it's a shark. It's gotta be a catfish. It's just a big catfish, man. Oh dude, it is a... Oh my god, no it's not. I think it's a big whitening. Oh my god, I think it's a big whitening. Or it's a red. I think it's a red. Dude, it's a big red fish. It's a big red. It's a big... Oh my god, it's a big red fish, dude.